Hi, I'm Robb Hadley, the North American Architectural Sales Lead at Allied Technical Sales. Today, we're very proud to announce our newest investment in our Trespa Medion business. This is our new CNC machine, proudly made in the USA, just arrived from North Carolina. This top-of-the-line piece of equipment has been specifically customized to cut Trespa Medion. With the addition of this machine, we've effectively doubled our cutting capability. This new capacity is being brought online to help meet the increased demand for Trespa facades that we were helping to create on world-class buildings across the US and Canada. At ATS, we're the only company in North America dedicated to the exclusive fabrication of Trespa Medion facades. Our mission is to make it easier for architects, owners, and installers to incorporate Trespa into their building projects. Coupled with North America's largest Trespa stocking inventory program, a complete team of estimators, project managers, and technical experts, this investment represents our continued commitment to bringing Trespa Medion facades to our customers. Our speed of service, high quality applications can't be beat. So if you've got Trespa Medion or Trespa Pura specified on an upcoming project, reach out to us in the links below and we'll help to ensure a smooth and successful build.